Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2006 Toyota Sequoia with over 240,000 miles on it. And yeah, the passenger side lower ball joint failed on the customer. We had to do it in the yard. We had to work on the ground and replace that ball joint. So let's get into that. Well, good afternoon, guys. Today on Customer States What? Customer states they were driving, they heard a loud bang in the front end, and now we had to get it towed here, so please check and advise. Well, say no more. I can tell you this much. The car got a little lean to it. The car has a little lean to it. Oh no, I'm thinking ball joint. Let's get down there. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got a Gugats, a ball joint that completely failed, hyperextended the suspension, and as you can see, the axle is now on the ground. And hyperextended the axle right there. Ooh wee, so we need a control arm, we need ball joint. Well no, the control arm's fine. Really only need a ball joint. But you're gonna need an axle too. And I can't get it into the shop. So I'm gonna have to do this on the ground right out here one day. That's gonna suck. Alright, yeah, so alright, I'm gonna recommend a ball joint on this side. And not for nothing, I'm gonna recommend a ball joint on that side because they're both the same age. Why wouldn't you? And I'm also gonna have to recommend to replace that axle. Because look at that joint. It's not supposed to bend that way. Oh boy. This is gonna suck. I got a bad feeling about this car. Real bad feeling. Alright. Put my jack stand right there. Should be enough. Yep, good. Alright guys, now that we got the wheel out, we could see freaking axle has come out of the front differential, and the front ball joint right here has failed. That bushing right there is not looking good either. So we're on the ground, outside, on location. Alright. Johnny B. Good stick. Alright, let's break it free. Let's see. Break free or break me? Wow, that is tight. Holy shit! Oh, I'm gonna drop a nut. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, that's good. There's probably a little jism up in there. Now it's hammer time. Alright, so we got the nut off here. There we go. It's nice to know the new ball joints came with new hardware. It's always nice. Very good. Alright, let's see if we can get the shot or not. Come on, get in there. I hope the dip is not damaged. I don't think it is. Oh, there we go. We just got in. Oh, yeah. That is a gig. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, forgot to take the nut off. Come on. Alright. That's it. Come on, come on. Oh, God. Oh. Alright, now I can drive the car in. So now that I just went through that entire thing, we have the vehicle on the lift now. So let's look around a little bit. You can see the brake fluid is kind of dark. We got some sweating valve covers. That one's leaking. Oh, look at that one. Passenger side is leaking a little more along there. Very good. It's had a timing belt at one point in its life. We got the sticker right there. Drive belt is showing some signs of age. Just a little bit. Oh, it's a gator belt. Alright, yeah, you can see more of the valve cover leak right there. It's not that bad. Could always be worse. Could always be worse. You know what comes next. Let's take it up top. So now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look around. We're not going to look at those brake backing plates because, oh, yeah, there's a little bit of it right there. It's a half moon. Bottom half is gone. Got some weight reduction. So we still got to replace this ball joint here because I'm replacing them in pairs because they're both original. But I did check this upper ball joint because it was so stressed out because this one failed. There's play in that joint now. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure out. I'm gonna look up in all data or in TIS, see what the procedure is. And then as I'm pointing out at that, I look over at this shock and it's sweating at me. And it's leaking. Yep, we got a sweating shock. Oh, looks like we have a, what is that, power steering? Yep, that's a leaking power steering line. What else? Looks like the suspension's knocking. I didn't even road test this car. I just drove it right into the shop because I didn't know what else was going to fail. We don't have any play in this tie rod, which is good. The good thing about these ball joints, unlike the OEM ones, they're greasable. Looks like we got an oil leak here. Looks like some Goomba did an oil change. I wonder where all this oil's coming from. Oh, looks like the pan. Yeah, it looks like the pan's leaking. Alright, let's go a little further back. The vehicle did get a frame at one point in its life, which is pretty good. But now everything else is falling apart around it. Hardware is stressed out. This flange is stressed out. It's one stressed vehicle. How's the rear diff? Oh, it's not that bad. Until you get to this side. Holy shit. You know what? I'm not even going to do that. Because that flavor runs deep. Oh. Oh, looks like they got new brakes. That's a new caliper. That's an old caliper. Look how... Wow. This differential, I don't think it'll ever get serviced because, granted, the drain is looking in good condition, but the fill plug looks like it's trying to become one with the differential. Wow. At least they got new brake lines during the frame replacement. Looks like they got brand new springs in there as well. That's good. That's ugly. So this is how much easier it is on a lift. We have a screw jack holding up the knuckle and lifting it up. We already hit this with the air chisel. Let's see, are we free? Yes, we are. Take this guy out. Very good. There we go. Just gonna set that nut on for a little bit. I'm gonna lower this slowly. And also inspect your old joint and new ball joint because there are dowels right here. And make sure that the old ones are not stuck in the knuckle still. And what you do is just slowly and surely lower this back down onto those dowels. And then you can send your bolts through. Come on. It should just like drop right in. Should. Come on. Alright. Alright, very good. We got those bolts in finger tight. We're gonna send them home. Very good. Well, alright guys, here is the driver's side ball joint, all in, torque to spec, and installed. Very good. We got our tie rod installed. Passenger side, brand new ball joint, brand new axle. I was informed by the service writer that the customer is going to return for the upper ball joint. I hope they return as sooner than later, because there's play there and they might just be in the same boat they were in the last time they came in. So, only thing we got left is we're going to put the tire back on, and then we're going to turn the wheel, we're going to grease our ball joints up, give it a quick road test, and that's it. Yeah. Beautiful. So guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.